Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Well, I bought myself another car really cheap. Well, because of this. Here, I'll show you. This is a 2002 Saturn L Series. It's an L100 with a 2.2 Ecotec. Well, I took the engine apart because it had a broken timing chain. Well, that is what was wrong with it. Well, the head's fine, the cylinders are fine, the pistons are fine. The biggest problem with it is this. It has 8 out of its 16 valves that are bent. But from what I can see right here, it didn't actually destroy the head. So I lucked out. Looks like I can just get away with replacing the valves and putting it back together with a new timing chain, gaskets, and crap like that. So not too bad for 350 bucks. Probably cost me another 300 or 400 to fix it. And there you go, got myself a really cheap car. Well, everybody, have a good day, and I'll let you know how it goes.